welcome to today's video. I'll be showing you how to factory reset your LG G8X thinq. Now this phone is not out in the United States yet, however it will be out soon, hopefully. Locate the volume down, power button, press both, hold the volume down. Once you see the thinq, release and press the power button again. Once you see this option, press down to select yes, press the power button to select, press down to select yes, press power button to confirm. Once that is done, give it a few seconds. What is the phone doing right now? It's factory resetting to the wiping everything off of the phone. Now make sure you do remember your Gmail account and password so you can be able to go back into it if you had yours in. I didn't have mine, so once it comes on it should be smooth sailing. Now this one took a few seconds to reset because I really don't have anything on the phone to begin with. However, sometimes it takes a little bit longer if you had a lot of information on the device. Press next, skip, next, skip anyways, next, more, accept, next, I'm sorry, no thanks, next, skip, go. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.